Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we are making a tutorial on my fishing brain rods with an admin can. Let's see the name. Okay, this is full. First, what you wanna do? You wanna save the copy. The Discord link in description. Go under the description Discord, and you can find this. You can find this and name it whatever you want. Oh, so many files are there. Oh, uh, delete this Opera. Get Opera. Okay, bro. Sorry guys, you can skip this part. Gaming feature are not available for this app. Ah, Ago. Ah, ah. పెద్ద పడికేమో అద్దామంట నువ్వేమో ఇద్దామంటావు ఇద్దరేమో పెంచుతుంటావు ఇవాళేంద్రా చెప్పు ఏదైనా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తా